think this shot's gonna be really good. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. No! So you guys might remember I was doing a flag shoot here about a week ago, and in the process of doing so, I had a little incident. Nothing major, but I made some mistakes. I was flying the drone, and I'm going to show you where. I'm going to spin this camera around for a second. It hit up in this tree, just at the very top of the tree here, and then it landed just down here. So kind of the arm was folded in, and the props are pretty tore up, and miraculously it still flew afterwards. It actually still flew, so I was really lucky. It still flew. I even flew it with the broken props because I didn't have spare props with me. I did a little test, and it held its own, and we got the shot done. So be really careful when you're flying these things. Make sure that you always maintain visual line of sight. Make sure you have the aircraft high enough, because you want to make sure you clear all these objects. Sometimes confidence can get in the way and you make mistakes. So just to recap, number one, always make sure your sensors are on unless you're flying in a tight space where there are obstacles, which is why my sensors are off. They did not automatically re-enable themselves between power down and power up. So be careful with that. Number two, always make sure your height is high enough to get over objects that are at kind of the outer reaches of your visual line of sight, because like around here, these trees, the trees are really spindly looking right now. There are no leaves, so it's easy to make a mistake. And that'll keep you out of trouble maybe. So everybody fly safe, have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, remember, click the like button, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.